Welcome to my review of the Behringer Xenyx 502. First, I'm going to start with a physical overview. The Behringer Xenyx 502 is a 3-channel mixer system. It has 2 1/4-inch stereo inputs and 1 1/4-inch mono input, or 1 XLR input. It has a tape input which accepts 2 RCA channel inputs, but this can only be turned on or off as it has no gain knob. It can output to stereo 1/4-inch jacks, or it can output to a 1/4-inch headphone jack. The mixer allows for the changing of the left-right balance and the tuning of the high and low frequencies with British EQs on the mono input, but only allows for the balance changing on the other inputs. The build quality of the device is very good as it feels very sturdy and features a predominantly metal structure. It is held together entirely by screws, which makes it very easy to take apart, as we will see in the teardown later. Overall, I like this product, however it does have a few issues. My biggest issue is that the first unit died on me. However, I did contact Amazon customer service and they promptly sent me another unit. However, all sellers may not be able to provide this level of assistance. After this happened, I checked the reviews on Amazon and I was able to find that I was not an isolated incident. I also found that some users were having issues with the XLR input. However, as I do not have anything that outputs to XLR, I was not able to confirm any of this. As for my use of this, I actually used it in a home theater in order to connect my music stream and Xbox at the same time. I've used RCA to 1/4-inch cables in order to connect it, and it actually works very well. I know this is not the intended use case, as it is mostly designed to be used for small performances. However, it works quite well in my use. I also have used it while DJing, and it worked quite well there as well. Overall, I enjoyed my experience with the Behringer Xenyx, even though my first unit died. I think if Behringer worked to increase their build quality and controlled testing, this product would be perfect for what it is intended, especially as it is quite nice and robust for the price. I would definitely recommend this as a budget option. Just make sure you buy it through a reputable retailer in case your unit dies. First, remove the 4 screws on the side of the unit. Then remove these screws. Then remove the 2 side panels. Then remove these 4 screws on the back. Now remove these 3 front screws. Now remove these 2 last screws. Now remove the nuts on the 1/4-inch jacks. Now remove all the knobs as so. Once you have done this, the unit should pull apart easily. Here are some photos of it after the teardown was complete. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and make sure to like and subscribe.